If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Okay, so you going through this bootstrap, started something?
No, not yet. I was doing the other exercise.
Okay, no problem. So let's finish bootstrap today. Okay, so yesterday we already done with what is bootstrap and typography, right? There is a progress bar, buttons. I told you a little about buttons also, list group, breadcrumbs, drop downs. So these are the addenda. So we'll try see the not only these are the elements. We have a lots of elements in Bootstrap. It's up to you or on our web designing and our project related. So accordingly, according to our application, we can use the element, right? So mostly you can try this. So I already explained you what is Bootstrap, right? And then grid system. And here typography. So we tried some from here. Like see the progress bar, we'll check buttons also. Then batch. Then you see this list graph, then breadcrumbs and drop down menus, carousel, all these things. So let's start with this thing. So again, as usual, we go to the Bootstrap websites. Okay. So today I just wanted to create a like a web page. You can say that a kind of landing page. So we create like this navigation bar. See, this is here. This is a row, and completely it's a what is called container fluid. So it's covered the entire page, and then after that, whatever things you want, we can create accordingly. Okay. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
So simple funda is we have to copy paste this again, Bootstrap CDN. So I'm just copying from here. Okay, let's go to open your folder. So this is your folder. I'm not created a separate folder for Bootstrap, so don't worry. So let's open VS Code. So code dot. So this is already Bootstrap demo, but now I'm going to create a step by step how to create a header, footer, and everything. So we can do this. So uh, okay. Say this, the basic page. Now here, I just wanted to create like this one. See this here. Go. There is a newer version of Bootstrap, kind of some heading, some title tag. So you can use a title tag also. So here header also, if you check here, so header element also, see this headers. So we can header and footer. So just check. Drop down menu, see this. So this is the drop down menu and this is the header. But this is a drop down link, but I don't want a drop down link. So I want a header tag. So you can use a header tag directly also, because see this here. Header. And you can use here class equals to container fluid. Okay. And then which color you want? So
Blue.
background. So
Yeah, blue.
PG. It's a primary is dark blue, secondary. Okay. Secondary. And here, hello, bootstrap. And this hello bootstrap, I'm writing in a H1 tag. So it will be a little bit bolder, right? Because last time we learned typography also. Let's close here, enter. H1 get closed. And what I used last time? Class text one, or it's a heading one. We use typography, right? So class button primary text here, display one, right? So like display one to display six. So I'm using here display one. Now check. So here I'm running on live server. See this, right? So
Yeah.
display one is very bigger, I think, right? So I'm writing it so 3 and a primary color, secondary color, success SU double S. So let's check here. One second. One second. Okay, so see here, I just given here this primary success. So here primary, secondary, then success. So we'll check according color. So that's okay. And text is center. So let's check. Clear?
Yeah.
So like this. So if you want other color, so we can use other color. But so just check here. I think background color. We have some color names, no? So where is the color? Simply colors. So we get the colors. Yeah, the primary, secondary, text. Secondary is gray. Text primary is a blue light color, or info is a dark color. Right. So if you want to change the text colors, I think we can do this text info. Okay. So I want to change this text color is white coming. So you can write here. Text info. So txt text info. Right. Otherwise, if you don't want to use all these things, so you can edit the colors also. Like text info. So you go to here head, means a head section. Here you can style. So dot text info. This class is already created in Bootstrap, but whatever changes we made here, accordingly that color get applied. So like color, here you can give like in blue or anything you want to give from here. So you can give the color like cornflower blue, like this. And check. See this? Right?
Yeah.
If you want to change other colors, like both are almost similar. So you can give the color name differently, like brown. So we can why not text info. Yes. So yeah, this is our thing. So you can edit your own colors also like this. But why not? It's reflecting. Style, it's a color. Yes. Like this. Now after this, see this header thing. So inside header, whatever thing you want to give as your uh, websites or anything, you can give. Then here, this thing is a container. So after header, we need a NavBar, right? So see this here, after header, this, whatever this thing is, we have a navigation bar. So we go to the navigation bar. So search here. See here, nav and tabs. So navigation bars and tab. Whatever you want, you can. This is a tab. So never go down. I can use anyone. This one also you can use if you want. Select this one. Or here only color is changed. If you go down, so we have a multiple colors. See this. So never BG dark, never dark, BG primary. See this here. Background color. See this never background color. We changing here. So you can do this. So, but I'm taking this first one with all this thing. Drop down link. So you can use, if you want, you can use drop down link. Otherwise, simple search and all that. So I'm using first one because that's a common for everyone here. Okay. And after header, I want this thing. Now see. See here, navigation bar.
Yeah.
But I want to match the color. So if you want to change the color, I told you here it's the navigation bar is the expand large and BZ light. So if you want to make a BZ dark, so it will be black. If you BG primary, then blue. See this here? Right. And after that, if you want to give any color, like change the color, so you can change the color also. But like BG primary or background color equals to whatever color you want to change. So like this, you can change the colors given here. See this. So never class and then a style. So this is inline. So if you want to change something here, so accordingly you can change. So if you want, you can do this. But this thing we have to do after class. Let's see. And then here, see this, the gap between this. So this thing we can handle with the, because we create a BG container and like background color. So it will accordingly. So you can write this body tag here. Class container fluid. Okay. And give the same background color. So see this. Or if you don't want to write in a body, so you create a row and then give the background color. Or div tag inside a one main div tag, create a container fluid, and that container means div container, you can create a header, footer, and all this. So it's up to you. Clear?
Yeah.
See, this navigation bar is basically icon. So here, either you can change the navigation icon. See this brand. So class is NavBar brand, and here it's a icon. So like, so this is an icon. So here you can place images also. It's your choice. So see this. This is an icon. Home link drop down here. So here you can change the menu according to your menu, like home, about us, and all these details. So all these things you can give here search button, and after this nav div tag, or you can put this nav into a div tag also. So we don't need to do this div. Because multiple div tag we have to use to combine all this thing here. Now, and in div tag, again, you have to write class container fluid simply, and give you some BG primary. I'm showing you that just a difference. That's why. So see this. So this thing is here because it's not container fluid. That's not, it's a here. So we have to use this container fluid in a main header tag also. And here there's a nav tag also. So it will extend till container. See this div tag class container. Right. So we have to use all these things. Then you change the menu. Now, what happened if you go to the any common websites? So we get this, see the here, if you go to here also, so this is logo, whatever the menu, if you want, you can change here, right? Drop down and all. Then this is the content, right? Yes or no? And this is
Yeah.
a footer thing. So you can define header and footer, and whatever the content between, so you can define it. So like home, go to home here. Okay, so see this navigation bar. This is the other portion. You can create a row or a div tag, align center, and all this thing. And then after that, this is called hero, basically, in where we can show the banner or I mean carousel or anything in our website. And after this, the other part like this. So you can write a multiple div tag here. And you can define the means primary, sub-primary container according to your requirement. So you can use it here. So after navigation div tag, right? You can create here footer. I'm just doing this. And in footer again, because we have to use all the container, or you can write CSS. So class container fluid, and I'm using here BG. dark. Right, in footer, nothing is. So you can write text, center, and then text, color. So just write primary or text info. So primary is, I think, blue color. So give here. And something like H4 or H5. Footer means you can give this copyright or name and all that. So everything you can give here. Save this and check here. So see this. What happened between the heading, then header or navigation bar and footer here? Because in between we don't have another content, right? So what we do, either you can define here some div tag directly in between, give the width and height, or accordingly we can manage. So let's see here. Can you put here carousel? See this carousel or any other element content here. You can give here some layout. See this here, column. See this, like this. Anything you want to use from here, you can use it. So I just wanted to use here this carousel component here, accordion or carousel. See this here. So accordion is here, the text content, if you want, you can move like this. Or alert. So better here we can use carousel. Okay. And see this here, carousel. So slide only. So number of image, it will get slide after some time. With control, see this here. With indicator. With captions. Crossfade. Yes. So anyone, whatever this thing you want, you can use from here. So dark variant. So I'm using from here. Can we use this? So we have all this thing, na? Means with caption and everything. This one. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
So let's this one and paste between one tag is done. So here, see this slide. Now here buttons. So button type, and they given the button carousel example captions. So 0, 1, 2, class active, slide 1, slide 2. Go to here the class timer. See this source. So image source is here. So we can give any image because we have already 2, 3 images here. Okay. Can we give image here? Like one is autumn poolside JPG and alternate text is. So you can image here. Okay, carousel caption. So first slide label. So we can give here. And whatever content you want to write, you can write here. Same thing for the second one. So second image. Here we have to give is one waterfall style. Okay. Alternate if you want to give. So you can give here. And here heading also I'm just giving waterfall. Similarly, third here means as a number of required, you can give here the images. So nature image. Nature image. And here I'm also given here. Nature. Make it capital. Heading. So done. Now check and run it. See this space? Because image size is bigger. So accordingly, we can write a size and all. Nature. Waterfall. See this heading. Right.
Yeah.
And accordingly, you can use size and all. So in div tag, you can correct. This is a carousel inner and item active. So accordingly, we can class T block width 100. So we can change the width. So accordingly, we can use. If you go here, see this. Here mention here. So it's up to you. See, active ID carousel, data target, and somewhere it's a mention that D tag and all that. So see this. Here carousel with slides only, not the presence of D block and with 100 on carousel elements to prevent browser default image element. So that's a default element. So you can make it smaller and width. So it will become shorter image. Clear? Slide 2012 like this. So it will give you this. So here, all different types of carousel here. And after this carousel, if you want to create a list group, so you can create a list. Mostly we are creating a list ULLI, right? So see this, this is a ULLI, but here they created a group. So it will like this, list group item and block. Here, active and list group item. So this is the active and disable item. So already groups is created here. So accordingly, you can use. Clear? Number list.
Yeah.
So OL sub number list. See this here, subheading. Now progress bar. So you can use progress bar if you somewhere if required. So you can use the class progress and whatever this progress bar. So you can give the data value 100. See this value max 100. Now value 25, 50, 75. So according this, if you change the value, accordingly, this value gets changed. See this here progress bar. Example with the label. Style width 25%. Area value now is 25%. So it's showing 25%. If I increase like this, put somewhere in your page. So between here, div and this, it looks weird, but see here. See this. It's a 20%, 5% only. If I change the value 50%, see this. Area value 50%. If I do 45%, that will 45%. So here it will show by 25%. Actually, लिख over 25% here. So see here 45%. So accordingly, you can change it. So any doubt in this progress bar?
No.
So then here, see this helper color and background. So you can go from here and you can change the colors to this. This is the basic colors. After that, whatever text, BG primary, text background. Then with complement primary and info color, batch. So you can create a card like this. So all are here. So mostly I explain you, but the thing is how to you use, it's up to you, right? And that's thing you have to do practice. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm showing you one example. So you just follow this example and try to create one layout. Okay. I'm showing you one demo for 1 second. हाँ सर. हाँ. खाना पीना अच्छा 8 बजे. कोई नहीं आप आ जाओ. So actually I have some means layout, so that's what I'm looking for. Where HTML. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so see here, this is a full screen example. See, image is here, so I think I don't know why video is not playing here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
I don't know, but you see this here. I just created a pages. This is the div tag only, nothing else. I just give the div tag means size, width, and height. And this is the second body page. Means here you can use content, text, anything. So let me open in this wait, okay, open. Okay. Okay. See, this is also I just created. So open with. So this is the complete page. Nothing means if I show you the code, so code is very minimal. Okay, so here I use videos, all HTML, full screen, and see this here. So first page is this, second page, nothing. So here also in div tag, whatever image you want, whatever content you want to write here, you can write here and see this here. The menu is transparent, right? See here.
Yeah.
So this is a 3 page. I just created it for demo. See this here, main, women sections. You can go, nothing else here, but this is a navigation bar and you can use it. So if I show you the code for this, so it's a very simple, nothing else. If you check here, if I open with this notepad or Visual Studio Code, see here the content. If you go to this here, see this simple menu, video poster, see this body, right? Source. So whatever video tag we learn, so that's tag is only, right? Header is, see this H1 and navigation bar inside the header, right? See this here navigation bar. Yes or no? Are you there?
Yes, sir. I think I didn't hear you. I think it like connected. There's bad connection or something.
Okay. Now you can hear me.
Yeah.
Yes. So see here, see, I use the video thing in a body completely. So it's a common tag. Then you check here the header portion. And inside the header, I use a navigation bar. Inside
Yeah.
this after header, see this, I just created a fashion. So this is the brand. Then second is I created second body, and see this next div is third body. And see for the everything I just created, I have written manual code because this is for the CSS thing. So you check here, video position absolute, top left 0, 0, width 100%, height 100%. Object fit cover, so that's why it's a fit into this image, because here we can't use a background fit. We are not using background, right? And object position in center. So this body, box sizing is borders box, and see this the header, position fixed, width 100%, text align center, color white, simple. Header, hover button, so we change the color. Font family H1, navigation bar, see this decoration none. For H2, this S1, T third, second thing, minimum height 100. And here, same thing, flex, display flex, text island, text center, align items, whatever this thing. And pink, we could just change the color tomato. So that's it. So similarly, actually, I have other complete navigation bar examples also, but I don't know where is it. This is the same, also same example. And here, I think, let me check. Yes, see this here. So I just created this responsive mega menu, and this menu is responsive navbar. So here, nothing else. Again, I'm telling you, simply we get this navigation bar. See this here, this content, and that's it. Nothing else. And if I show you here, I just use what I use navigation bar. This design X color, and there's a button and all this. About page, if you want, you can create the same page. And if you want to see the code again, so I'm telling you, this code is almost similar, whatever I explained you. See this code. And so what I used here, nav and this href and all that. Logo, design X, and then ULLI section. That's it. Understood?
Yeah, so this it says the script source is kit.font awesome. So
Yeah.
is that Bootstrap or
No, that's not Bootstrap. That's for the images.
okay?
Okay, sometimes what happened, we use some icons, right? So that's for icons.
Okay.
And then, see, I'm showing you the another, means these are the basic, here we create a navigation bar design. See this, simple. Menu bar, simple. I just use hover button and brand is here and nothing else. So all these things you have to practice basically. You try to create that simple design kind of thing. So if you want to try, you can try this one or this one, anyone using Bootstrap, right?
Okay.
So it will take only max 5 to 10 minutes. Or see this, using Flexbox. So here also, if you see here, so see this, same thing, logo, home product, and it's a blank page. So anything, it's a responsive. So see this. Accordingly, when we use, we can do this. Text. So like this. So you have to try this. So you can use this one, create like a navbar, and then this, and if below, if you want, you can use a footer also. Clear? If you go to the here means here also. So here also we have an example, and see this. You can download the example. See this header, heroes. See this. What is called heroes? I told you. Key after this, what is called? It means navigation bar. Whatever the content we show, this center screenshot like this. See this here also. Build fast responsive site. So this is called hero. Means where we either we can print banner or some design, some animation kind of thing. So you can use it. See this. So this is the examples of heroes also. So you can get from here. See this. Models, list group. So all are given here. Same thing where sticky footwear note bar, navigation. So see this here. See this. So this is a sticky. Means and nothing else here. We have to simply write the have fixed or not very sticky. So this thing also you can completely go to here example, and you can download from here. It's a free, so you can download source code also or download example also for the reference, because mostly everyone is doing same thing. So you can try from here also. Okay.
Okay.
So if you go to here, so see this, I already explained you button, see this batch, so you can add the batch. List group, I already show you the list group, so simply you have to use breadcrumbs. That navigation bar is kind of breadcrumbs also, because there it will show this. We are in a ZaranTech HTML CSS. So this is called breadcrumbs, means which menu you have. So it's a dividers, that's slashes, so you can change it. So if you go to here, you can search, and already it's showing in a here also in component. You go to the container, see this content table component, see this somewhere, it's a breadcrumbs button, breadcrumbs. So you can use this. This is a label navigation bar only, but it will show like this: home, library, data. So this is a divider like this. You can use a SVG also. Can use a design also. Buttons, card, we already done yesterday, right? So you can use this, but how to use all these things together? So that's a task, and for this, those things you have to do practice, because we know all this thing, but when we are combining, assembled all things together, I'm trying to create a page. So that time it's a very struggle. So for this, you have to do practice. Okay. So can you create a page, simple page, very basic page like this here, like this NavBar, and here the content, and then here, this is the footer only.
Yeah. Yeah, so I was going to
Okay.
edit this.
Yeah, you have to arrange this and then below you. Okay, so let's do it. So weekend also. So try to create means a demo of this websites, replica of this websites. Okay.
Yeah.
So take it as a homework, or but it's a practice question. So just to do practice, and then from next week, means from Monday, we'll start JavaScript. Okay. And please then go to the here that assessment part, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap assessments is there, right? So just go through this and finish it also. Like when you go to the material for student, I think
Yeah.
here the assessment part is here, and I think it's
Yeah.
a MCQ question. So you just finish with HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So now from Monday, we'll start JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
And try to cover this all lab activities also, because there are lots of here. So you just try to practice it. And this form hands-on assignment you submitted. So please finish this hands-on assignment.
Yeah, I finished it. So where should I submit?
You
So
just mention it in a group. We have a
yeah.
group, right? So just ask on group. So
Yeah, I'll ask Sam.
yes, yeah. So our support team will help you where to upload. Okay. Yeah. Then see you
Yeah.
Monday. Till then, take care. Happy weekend.
You too.
Yeah.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.